This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Well, we're back home in another car, and then I have Isabel with me here, so sorry if there is a bit of background noise. Isabel, hey, look there, poke it there. Yeah! Hey! Okay, anyway, if we look at the stats here, so the ID Buzz did it in 6 seconds. It's supposed to do it in 6.5. Very nice. It seems like they might have taken into account that there's some extra weight in there, not just empty cars. So yeah, 340 horsepower. Actually beat some of the other ones with only 300 horsepower. Even though it's quite heavy also, huh? Must have been flat curve, maybe just torque. Torque wins races. No, can you be quiet a bit? Shh, okay. And then you can compare it to the short bus. Short bus is way down here. It's such a big difference, 9.6 seconds. Well, I mean, it weighs a little bit less, but I don't know. I mean, why there's a huge difference, but at least the GTX, or the long bus feels quite quick, and is actually the fastest bus, the fastest van ever tested. Very impressive. When it comes to noise, also, this is the old bus, or the short bus, whereas the newer is here. So, but it has 20-inch wheels versus 21-inch you had previously. So that's probably why. I don't think they have done anything to improve the soundproofing on the long bus versus the short bus. So there you guys have it. If you want a practical car with lots of space and you don't want an SUV, you can go for the ID Buzz. It goes like a rocket, fun to drive, plenty of space, plenty of seats for people who don't know how to pull out. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.